Hello friends, welcome to Maths CET JEE Studio. In this video, we are going to solve a JEE question on trigonometric functions. The question is cos raised to 4 pi by 16 plus cos raised to 4 3 pi by 16 plus cos raised to 4 5 pi by 16 and cos raised to 4 7 pi by 16. What is its exact value is the question. We have given with the 4 options here. You observe the angles pi by 16 and 7 pi by 16. Taking sum of these two, it is 8 pi by 16. 8 ones are 8 twos. This is pi by 2. Sum of two angles is equal to pi by 2 means these two angles are complementary angles. Similarly, 3 pi by 16 plus 5 pi by 16 is equal to pi by 2. These two angles are also complementary angles. This cos raised to 4 pi by 16 I write as it is, and this cos raised to 4 3 pi by 16 also let us write as it is, and this cos raised to 4 5 pi by 16 we write pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. Similarly, the last one cos raised to 4 7 pi by 16 we write pi by 2 minus pi by 16. Cos raised to 4 5 by 16 as it is. This last term is there, cos raised to 4 pi by 2 minus pi by 16. We can write it as sine of pi by 16. This is sine raised to 4 pi by 16. Similarly, these two terms, cos raised to 4 3 pi by 16 as it is, this can be written as sine raised to 4 3 pi by 16 because cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta. Now, the first two terms, they are in the form sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. You remember sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 times sine square theta into cos square theta. Okay, with the help of this formula, this can be written as 1 minus 2 times sine square pi by 16 into cos square pi by 16 plus 1 minus 2 times sine square 3 pi by 16 into cos square 3 pi by 16. 1 plus 1, write it together, minus this 2 times sine square pi by 16 into cos square pi by 16 I write in the form a into b into c whole square. That can be written as 2 into sine pi by 16 into cos pi by 16 whole square divided by 2 I write. See, 2 square 4, 1 time 2 get cancels out. Now, minus 2 times, this is sine of 3 pi by 16 into cos of 3 pi by 16 whole square divided by 2. These two are in the form 1 plus 1 2. These two are in the form 2 sin theta into cos theta. Let us write it as sin 2 theta. This is sin square of 2 theta. 2 into pi by 16. That is nothing but pi by 8. By 2 will be there. I write it as 1 by 2. Similarly here minus 1 by 2 into, this is what? This is sin square of 2 into 3 pi by 16. Nothing but 3 pi by 8 it is. This is 2 minus 1 by 2 times minus 1 by 2 common here, sin square pi by 8 plus sin square of 3 pi by 8. Again you observe this pi by 8 and 3 pi by 8. Pi by 8 plus 3 pi by 8 is what? This is equal to 4 pi by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are pi by 2. We are observing that pi by 8 and 3 pi by 8 are complementary angles. Now, this sine square of 3 pi by 8 is what? This is nothing but cos square pi by 8. As I did in the first step, we can follow the same thing here. So, answer sine square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 is 1. We left with 2 minus 1 by 2. Nothing but 3 by 4. We have first option as the answer here. Thank you.